Friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. Today you are going to see something really amazing, and I have a bad news to start with. A software engineer or a coding job is dead. I've built an AI agent that can write the code, clone the repo, and do much more. You're going to see that in demo today. Let's get started. So what are we attempting? Now, every time a support engineer works or you work as an engineer, you will be assigned a story that, oh, something is not working, something failed, or a new development story, doesn't matter. Our AI agent can go ahead, clone your repo, fix the code, and push and create a PR and a branch. That is the ultimate level of an AI agent, right? So let's go ahead, start with the demo and show you how cool this is. But I'm sure that every one of you watching this should hit a like button for this one. All right, so I'm going to config. I'm going to enable the most deadliest of mine, which is a Bitbucket, where that's where we are going to create our PR, branching, and much more. So let's go ahead and fire up the agent, and it might take 3 seconds, which is exactly what you need to hit the like button. All right, so let's go ahead. This has been amazing journey so far, building so many. I've integrated around 17 applications so far, so it's cool. And this is where we have our log health. That's the monitoring agent I've built. Now I'm going ahead and going to hit execute. It's going to create a branch. It's going to create a Jira ticket. It's going to create a Confluence page, and the best of it all, a PR, a branch, a software engineering branch, which a human would need. If you are a software engineer, this is what my agent would do for you. This is so amazing. It's talking to 17 applications, so there is a little bit lag, understandably. Now let's go ahead and see what it has done. It says it has sent a message to Slack. That's where your product managers are. It has created a task in Todoist. It has created a Confluence page. It also did all the required payments. I mean, if at all, if you are working with a third party contractor or an urgent fix, then it created a Jira ticket, and then it created a PR request already. That means all of this in less than 10 seconds. There was an issue in our website, in our application, and our agent was able to solve it in less than 10 seconds. Don't believe me? I'm going to show you right now code. Let's go to Bitbucket. This is my Bitbucket, a bot that I created for the repo. Now, if you see, there is nothing here. There are no pull requests. There is no repositories. View all repository, Arc agent. That's our agent, and that's our repository. So if I go to branches, you would see it would say less than 1 minute ago. This is the one it created for us. And it exactly tells us that what needs to be done, what was the error, what's the fix. Basically, you have an entire agent which can perform your activities as a product manager. Let me show you that as well. Go to Confluence, and now go to recent, and you see less than 2 minutes ago it created the Confluence page for us. Let's go to Jira board, and it has created a third ticket for us. Recent, and you go to Kanban board, and you'll see that this was created right now, less than a minute ago, which is where I started the demo. So we have the Jira, we have the Confluence, we have the Bitbucket PR request raised. The ultimate end of a software developer and a product manager, all three combined. And here we are with our AI agent, which can do everything what you're doing right now. Hit the like button if you think you can't do what this agent can't do. We'll see you in the next one, but trust me, we have just started, and there are so many apps we are integrating. You're gonna love it. Hit the smash like button, comment, subscribe, email me if you want one-on-one code. I want to share this code base with you. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll send you the code. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.